Hi, welcome to the training show. I'm Kirsten Kloss. I appreciate your attendance today. On today's show, we're going to be talking about industrial operations training and plant efficiency. And we're going to focus on the whole idea of efficiency, not just cost cutting and cost efficiencies, but overall plant flow efficiency. And I've asked Dave Defoe to join us. He is with Learning SI, and it's a division of LotusWorks. And Dave is going to join us here and give us a bit of insight from his standpoint on how plants can improve that efficiency. Dave, first of all, thanks very much for joining us on the show today.
Thank you.
So I'll just introduce you here quick so our audience understands a little bit more about you. Dave is a certified human resources professional with extensive industry-based human resources and training experience. And he's been employed with Learning SI for over 3 years now. Dave specializes in operations, maintenance, and leadership development learning processes. With a background spanning more than 30 years in oil and gas and pulp and paper, Dave has keen insights into what is required to efficiently, my goodness. With a background spanning more than 30 years in oil and gas and pulp and paper, Dave has keen insights into what is required to efficiently train and educate facility personnel to ensure required competency and resulting optimization of plant safety and operations efficiency. Well, Dave, this whole topic of plant efficiency, everyone gets wrapped up in cost cutting, but it's more than that, isn't it? What's your insight on training and how that all ties into efficiency?
Well, from my perspective, any industrial operating facility has operators, and the more knowledge the operators have on their ability to operate the plant, the more efficient the plant runs, the more uptime, the more cutting, the more cost reduction. So from my perspective, like you said, Kirsten, I've been around training, been around industrial environments for a number of years now, and there's always an opportunity for improvement. The more competent an operator, the more experienced an operator, I think it just adds into a number of different areas of not only efficiency, safety, but just basically operating the plant better, understanding a lot more about what they're doing and the impacts of what they do. So that's our area of focus, is to help facilities to optimize or maximize the potential of their operators.
And so when does a plant, give me an example of when a plant should kind of almost be woken up to the fact that they do have efficiency issues. Can you maybe identify something there that might be a trigger to clarify that there is a need there?
Well, I think there can be a number of different ways of looking at that, but I mean, we can work with plants that have been operating in a steady state operation for a number of years. I mean, I think there's always opportunities to improve the way an operator operates a facility. And again, that equates to efficiency of the overall operation. There's different triggers, different KPIs you can look at, like uptime, that type of thing, reliability. And you dig down to it, I think in a lot of cases, even serious incidents, when you dig down to it, there's usually a human factor in there somewhere. And you can probably coin training in there and competency to some degree in all those areas. So we're not just going in to try and provide a product. We're going in to try and essentially provide business results, better business results for companies. And
So,
you can call it, sorry, go ahead.
no, you go ahead.
I say you can call it efficiency, you can call it cost reduction, you can call it optimization, you can call it maximizing potential, but it's all about improving competency and being able to run a facility better.
So there's a needs assessment involved in that. What's the first step?
Well, that's typically how we would enter into an organization that we haven't had experience with before. We got to understand what they're doing, understand what their challenges are, understand their systems and processes, and take a look at it from, at our experience, industry best practice, our experience on that, and take a look for gaps and see what can be improved on from our perspective. In some cases, maybe that's small. In other cases, there may be significant opportunity there, but it depends on the individual companies and the operations as to what that looks like.
Well, Dave, sounds like you're the man to contact for that. So, Dave, great having you on the show. Appreciate your sharing us a bit of information about efficiencies. Thanks.
Thank you.
We've been speaking with Dave Defoe with Learning SI. You can check out their website at learningsi.com. If you want more information about the parent company, LotusWorks, it's Lotus, LotusWorks.com. Check that out as well. You're watching The Training Show here. I'm Kirsten Kloss. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Now, you can check out their website at lotusworks.com is the parent, but the particular division here is learningsi.com, and go check that out. Our topic today was industrial operations training. I'm Kirsten Kloss. Thank you all for watching. Stay tuned again real soon. Bye for now.